Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Marvel Contest of Champions. And today, we're going to be taking a look at what I'm calling the Doctor Strange 2.5 edition. So with the new update, they came out with a totally new, maybe not totally new, but for at least for Doctor Strange, they came out with a new attack style for the character. Now, I've already done a character review on Doctor Strange, but I'm doing this one because I really like the new changes they made to Doctor Strange. So, we're gonna go here, we're gonna look at it. You're probably wondering why am I calling it 3.5 edition? Because, or not 3.5, 2.5. So, I don't know why I said that, but 2.5 edition. Because I'm considering this as like the second full remake, and then they did like a mini remake. I don't want to call it a remake, but this is Doctor Strange now. One thing you can notice is he is floating, so that's one difference. But what this also means is that he, just to kind of give this all away, he is exactly like Magneto. Magneto floats as well, and that is a hint that Doctor Strange's abilities are very much so like Magneto. But as I was saying, the reason I'm calling this the 2.5 edition is because what they did is they had the original Doctor Strange, and then what they did is they changed his heavy attack, and I believe before his was like the backflip, kind of like Winter Soldier and Hawkeye, and then what they did is they changed it to what I like to call the Vision, or at least right now what I like to call the Vision super, or not super, heavy attack. It's like a couple punches in one, and now they've gone and completely remade his attack style, and he's more like Magneto. And the 2.5 is because with the heavy attack change, they just changed the heavy attack. They didn't really change much else about the character. It was just the heavy attack. So what we're gonna do is, I think this time we'll start off by playing in a quick match with Doctor Strange to take a look at the character, see if we can hopefully get through all his attacks. That'd be really nice, you know, though I wouldn't be surprised if we don't. Oh, actually, here we have an advantage over Ronan. We're fighting a 3-star Ronan. But yeah, in this video, I'm not going to go in and look at the details of Doctor Strange because that hasn't changed. But if you want to read over that, if you don't have the character yet, look through my channel. I've already done a video for Doctor Strange where it goes through. But here he goes. This is the new Doctor Strange floating like Magneto. Really cool. And he's got like the pose, and all his attacks are like in the air, which is really cool. Actually, Magneto. Actually, when he attacks, he leaves the ground, or he touches the ground, which is kind of interesting. But another thing is with Doctor Strange here, if you've watched his hands, like there's like little streaks of green whenever he attacks. So there's his heavy attack. We'll try that again. Whoops! Oh, we got hit. Okay, here we go. We'll charge up. He's like curled up, and then he goes for the 2 attack. Here's the third special. While we're doing it, we're just gonna get into this to show you, but it's the same as before. No real difference in this attack. It's the same as before. His closing has also changed. It's of course like Magneto. But I believe there was a little bit of a difference in the first and second attacks. So we'll go in and we'll do that again. Let's just get out of here. Come on. Here we go. Okay, we're gonna go in and we'll do the event quests. What should we do? Let's go in here and let's do, I don't know. You know, let's go in the hard one for once. Let's try the hard. We don't have Doctor Strange in our team. We're gonna switch out Star-Lord for Doctor Strange. Here we are, Doctor Strange. He's floating in the back like Magneto, and I've noticed with Magneto, and I'm guessing now, as of now, Doctor Strange, they're always going to be in the back because though they're normal-sized characters, with them floating, that I guess it sets them into like the large or the heavy class of characters. We'll go this way. We'll go toward the way of Star-Lord. I really need to start working through this one because I need to get some catalysts for my 4 stars. So at the same time, we might work towards that. But we'll bring in Dr. Strange. Hopefully we get to look at his first 2 attacks. I believe these ones are a little bit different. But as you saw, the third one hasn't really changed. If there are, it's maybe just like, I think like his final pose. He's kind of more like in the in his general form now, or the Magneto form is what I'm going to call it. But overall, I don't think his other attacks have really changed. But overall, we can take a look at his attacks again. I like the heavy. I like where he's like this. He's like got the like the magic going, and then he's like sitting down but floating. So here's the first attack. Again, hasn't changed. It's just he's not going from standing on the ground to floating. So they kind of cut down on that animation, I guess. Here's the second attack. Again, yeah, no difference. Just he doesn't have to pop up from the ground. Oh, come on. You know what? One thing I don't like about his heavy though is it takes a while. Like between the first and second hits, there's actually enough time for your opponent to actually come and hit you, especially if you miss the first one. Between that and the second, his second punch, I'm going to call it, there's actually enough time for your opponent to come and attack you, so your attack doesn't actually follow through. So that's one thing I don't like about some of the characters today, or they've been making, that the heavies are so slow. It's like they've just given the characters enough time to attack you. I'm gonna take one last look here at Doctor Strange, and then we'll get out of here. I just mainly wanted to show the new, like, his general attacks, because they've switched him now to like a Magneto-like character, which I really like. I really like Magneto, but now I'm almost liking this new Doctor Strange more, because I was really excited when I got Magneto, but now it's like I'm more excited about Doctor Strange because like all the animation is really good. Like, they add, like, the streaks to his attacks. Like, the little streaks of green to all of his attacks. It's really cool. Oh, we got hit by Gamora. But, yeah, other than that, that's basically it. I really like this new general attacks for Doctor Strange. Oh, we got hit again. Just die already. There we go. So yeah, really, other than that, that's pretty much it. Taking a look at the new Magneto in Marvel Contest of Champions. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment, do whatever you do, or check out my website, characterduels.weebly.com. And soon, I may be starting a blog, so you can also look out for that. And I'm still debating it, but just maybe, I'm still thinking about it, but I may be starting a Facebook page for, like, to link kind of my YouTube channel, website, blog, Facebook page, just kind of link them all together. That, and in general, I can keep in touch with you guys better, and get your feedback on things. So yeah, so look for that. That may be coming out soon. But other than that, that is the new Doctor Strange in Marvel Contest of Champions. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.